Feeling a little low and down on life and groggy from these negative Nancy ninjas? Well, subscribe.
This is Willie the Falcon. I'm letting all y'all suckers, motherfuckers, know that y'all can't go outside. It's locked down. Keep your ass inside. I ain't gonna tell you twice. Follow the rules. Okay?
I guess. F these rules. I mean, shit. Let's all be prisoners for our own success.
I don't care what you call it. Keep your ass inside.
What up to my Shinobis? It's Obi the Shinobi, doing my Shinobi duties. Living longer is my only occupation. And I say that with pride. However you want to word it. Like, on some real ish, express yourself. And don't be afraid. Have no fear. On some real ish.
Don't be scared. Go out there and live life.
It's time to produce. Instead of consuming, let's become producers. Forget becoming a consumer. We consume enough. Let's produce this ish. Squad up, have no fear, and get your ass in gear. Shit. We being controlled by people we've never met in our lives. And the people that really matter, like family, close relatives, close friends, etc. We don't listen to them. We listen to these other people, so-called. I ain't even gonna give them a name, because you know who I'm talking about. And the point is, we need to come together and govern ourselves, because it isn't a one-way street, no matter what and how you look at it. Like, on some real ish, separation is an illusion.
It is.
We are the same, just have different perspectives, and we must respect each other. On some real ish, unmask the illusion, because it's time for us to rise as people. It's time to face the truth. The truth hurts, because what's real can't really be seen, but it can be felt. Run that how you like, but Obi the Shinobi has faith in the squad. You feel me? Never compare the outside of me to the inside of you. Have faith, stress less, invest, and remember, it's all a test. Obi the Shinobi has faith in you. So remember that. Sending you some positive energy. I do this for my Shinobis all day and every day. Be mindful and be open to new ideas. My Shinobis, you are awesome and magnificent, and any adverb or adjective that really spills out the emotion that I'm trying to convey. But the point is, my Shinobis, stay strong and powerful, and staying positive is a constant battle. But never give in and never give up. Okay? I want to take this time to acknowledge all my Shinobis that have been riding with me since day one. And this ride has been a long ride. Shit. It feels like it's the last ride. But I'm enjoying the ride. And you must embrace your emotions. Everything that comes spiritually and morally. I mean, you gotta understand the middle path has neither joy or suffering, just peace to gain wisdom. Neutral means using your mouth less and listening more. One mouth and two ears. Like, subscribe, become a Shinobi, and invest in yourself. Support the causes and understand the power comes within. My kin, sending y'all some positive energy. Feel the high energy particles. Feel it, because I feel low, and I know you feel low, but let's go.